guys, and welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Ashley with Ashley Nicole Photography. I am a portrait photographer in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Today's video is going to probably be pretty short, but I did want to share with you a new lens that I got. As photographers, we get very excited about our gear, and a new lens can just change things up and make shooting even more fun. This lens is a specialty lens. It's definitely different than anything else I own. It's actually something I've been looking at for about 10 years, which is kind of crazy since it's not that expensive. It hasn't been something I needed to do my job. This is a fun lens. This is something I can get a few shots in with some photo shoots, but it's mostly just for me to have fun with. And this is a Lensbaby lens, and I'm already hooked on it, and I already want another one. If you don't know anything about Lensbaby, they make fairly inexpensive specialty lenses. They have fixed lenses that don't tilt. They've expanded and they have a bunch of different options now for lenses, and I'm excited to try some different ones, but the one that I purchased is the Sweet 50. I got the Composer Pro 2 body, and this is like a housing for optics, so you can switch out the optics, and I got the Sweet 50, so the optic can come out of this housing and you can buy another one to put in. So yeah, this is just what I started with, and I'm going to show you some examples. I'm going to show you how this works, and then I'm going to tell you what I want next to go in this thing. Yeah, so let me show it to you first. Here it is on my Canon R6. I bought it for my new camera body. Something to know about Lensbaby lenses. This is a manual focus only lens, and this is why I've been kind of hesitant to get one. You have to slow down to shoot, and like on a photo shoot, I can't always do that. I really enjoy the challenge of manual focus with it, and there's no mechanics to it. It's very basic, which is why it doesn't cost an outrageous amount. But you change the aperture. That's my favorite part, is just watching the aperture. You change the aperture on this ring right here, and then you focus, obviously, with a ring as well. And it's just the coolest thing. So I'm gonna insert some footage here of me actually shooting video with it so you can see what this does while you move this around. So this rotates around. So this particular lens, the Sweet line of lenses, has a sweet spot in focus. Traditional lens does a photo with something in focus in a slice. So the front and the back is out of focus, and then you'll have a slice of focus here. So this has where there's a circle in focus, and then it goes blurry to the edges. So as you move this around, it moves that circle of focus around in your picture. So instead of just having your sweet spot in the middle of the frame, you can move it over and then have it go out. So here's some footage of me showing you moving this around and showing you how it moves around the frame and focusing in and out so you can see how this thing works. Okay, so what do I use this lens for? Well, there's definitely things that it can work for and things that it just doesn't quite work for. Chasing a toddler around is very difficult. I have gotten some photos of my 3-year-old who's making noise back there, but you have to take quite a few photos and be really, really good at manual focus, but it makes some beautiful photos. I find that I really enjoy it for actually nature, flowers, and that kind of thing. I'm gonna insert pictures as I'm talking, but it can be really, really cool for portraits as well in certain instances. So I'm super excited to have this. I believe it was $399 for the Composer Pro with the Sweet 50, $299. And what do I want to get next? I want to get the other one that can go in the Composer Pro is the Edge line, and I want to get the Edge. I think I want to get the 35. So instead of having a sweet spot of focus, the Edge has a slice of focus. I'm going to see if I can, I'm not in focus. We're talking about focus and I'm not even in focus. I'm going to see if I can find examples online to show you because I don't have this lens, but you can have a slice of focus in your picture and you can tilt it and it makes things look different. Like it can make something look smaller. It just has really, really cool effects. So that's what I want to get next, and I think I want the 35. I think they have the 35, 50, and 80 Edge, and that's what I want next. I'm excited to have this. I'm excited to keep playing with this. If you own a Lensbaby and you have been playing with it for quite a while, please let me know what you're thinking of it below. If you have a different Lensbaby lens, tell me what else I need, because I'm enjoying this so much. I think I'm gonna be carrying it with me to all photo shoots just in case there's something that comes up that I really want to use this. All right, guys, I know that wasn't very long, but I wanted to just come on here and show you my new lens because I'm excited, and I don't know what's coming next because I am going to be having surgery soon, so I may be gone for about a month, but I definitely have some more videos in the works, so stay tuned. They will be coming eventually. All right, guys, that's going to be it for this one, though. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already and you want to see future videos, hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Hit that subscribe button. Can you put pictures in the comments?